Yeah. I want to see picture from this. You get yeah.
The jerk.
How
the
many
jerk.
days it is?
The jerk.
Yeah, how many days it is?
Alright, jerk it.
Yeah.
Just so people fry lobster on the base. Big chef, yeah.
Best boat in town, Yeah, one.
Man. Nice. The lobster bucket.
God, we say we have to do the right thing, you know?
The lobster bucket. Yeah, man. Big up the chef, man.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah, man.
Best lobster feet there. We have the fried chicken and look, but everything gone from the front. Best part here, keep. So we have some lobster to some Irish, you know? Chicken and fry. Yeah. I don't TikTok lot.
Pan the stick fire.
With the same way.
Pan the stick fire or the wood fire.
Nose and a bug in my nose. Sure, bring it there. Big chef, that's it up.
Yeah, man.
Number one chef. Marva training to cook with Mother Marva. Yeah, man. Marva. Big up Marva. With the pineapple chicken. Sure, bro.
Yeah, man. I mean, Big D. Proper fried lobster. Lobster smell good.
People when afraid that island they get burned. Sometimes my fingers go in that island they can't know. So yeah.
Yeah, man.
Same time they food nice. Finger licking. Yeah, you have to get little burn.
Come on, straight lobster on the fire. Roast and fried.
Don't know we have bread, we have food, we have everything on your house. At 5 o'clock midday, I was still a do it. Night I come down, we still a do it. Head and belly. I'm on everything round on the front. Everything that's shaky, man. That's a fool alone, I'm not showing me that.
Yeah, every blood eat there.
Everything there. That's one of my boss right now. We have to drive one of them roast one of them drive one.
Right away. Run fires. Yeah, man, run fires. It taste. Tell me how it taste. But proper. Proper. You mean Big D?
Give me this spoon. Salmon, no salmon. I can't eat chicken
Clap.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that.
I still wanna party with her, even when it don't feel right. You know I'ma party with her, with her, with her. She be calling on a Monday, wanna meet on Tuesday, asking me to fix me up real nice. She can wait until the weekend, she wants off the deep end, telling me to bring the stuff I like. I don't wanna let her down, so I'm telling her yes, though I'm don't count it down from the pain in my chest, but I'm putting her to sign now. I'ma feel her right now. Happy from the stuff I know she likes. I've been trying my luck every day of the week, yeah. With my baby, what's up? Ay, always down every week, yeah. Know I love her too much, but I just can't get enough. She's slipping through the cracks, call my bluff. She know what's up, can't get enough, yeah. Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her. Oh yeah, even when it don't feel right, you know I'ma party with her.
You brought the days to my nights. Eh, I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, babe. Baby if you make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today owana odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hotepe oh yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And me if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. Oh my life, yeah. You brought the days to my night. Yeah. You brought the days to my night. No other way doing it.
Maybe you're not different. Maybe you're not different. Maybe you're not different. Maybe you're not different.
Big up Sablan TV. Out
Sure.
there.
Yeah, big up Sablan TV. Straight out of West. No, right, that's